In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to roll out Slack like a pro. Rolling out Slack across an entire organization takes a lot more than simply creating a workspace and sending out invites. If you skip the planning stage, things can get messy very quickly. Channels become confusing, notifications get overwhelming, and people stop using the platform the way it was intended. A strong rollout starts with structure, security, and clear expectations. So let's walk through how to set that up properly. First, establish your channel architecture before inviting anyone. Start by opening the Slack desktop app or logging into your workspace in a browser. From there, click on Create a Channel under the channel list. The goal here is to build a predictable environment so new users instantly understand where things belong. Create your core public channels using consistent naming prefixes. For example, use channels like #announcements global for organization-wide updates, #team marketing, #team sales, and #team engineering for department communication, and channels like #helpit or #helphr for internal support requests. Standardized prefixes are incredibly important because they make the workspace easier to scan and maintain as it grows. Once those channels are in place, open the channel header, go into settings, and adjust posting permissions so that only administrators can post in your main announcements channels. That keeps critical updates clean and easy to find. Next, lock down your security and retention policies before the wider team joins. Click your workspace name in the top left sidebar, hover over Settings and Administration, and open Workspace Settings. In the Settings tab, find App Approval Settings and switch it to Require Admin Approval. This prevents users from connecting unauthorized third-party apps and helps protect your environment from unnecessary risk. Then go to Message Retention and Deletion and set your data history window according to your company's legal and compliance requirements. This is an important step because retention policies should be intentional from day one, not fixed later after content has already accumulated. After that, configure authentication and domain restrictions to make onboarding easier. In the Web Management Suite, open the Authentication tab. If your plan supports it, set up single sign-on through your identity provider. This streamlines access and gives users a more secure login experience. If you're using standard email logins instead, go to Approved Email Domains and enter your company domain. Then enable the option that allows anyone with an address from that domain to join. This removes unnecessary admin bottlenecks while still keeping access limited to your organization. Finally, return to the Slack desktop app, click your workspace name, and choose the option to invite people to the workspace. Paste in your team's work email addresses in bulk and send the invites. Once that's done, pin a Slack etiquette guide in your global welcome or announcement channels. Include guidance on using professional profile photos, setting notification hours, and replying in threads to keep conversations organized. That is all. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.